Hello friends, you are connected with the French desk. I hope you guys are doing well. We will be proceeding further with our next session where you will be learning new words with their meaning in English. You can practice by pronouncing side by side after me. L'alphabet. G, G, Jupe, Jupe, skirt. Here the P letter is pronounced like double P, but it's a single P. Ka, ka. Kangourou, Kangourou, Kangourou Kangaroo. L, L. Lune, moon. M, M. Mouton, 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 sheep. N, N. Nuage, 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 cloud. O, O. Oreille, 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 ear. P, P. Poisson, 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 fish. Again N is silent here. K, K. Catk, catk, catk. 4. Ek, ek. Reviére, 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 river. S, S. Singe, monkey. Here the I is pronounced as A. Te, te. Tortue, 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 turtle. Here T is changing to CH, ch. U, U. Usine, usine, factory. V, V. Voiture, voiture, car. W, W. Wagon, wagon, carriage. X, X. Xylophone, Xylophone, Xylophone. Y, Y, Y. Yaourt, Yaourt, yogurt. Z, Z. Zèbre, Zèbre, zebra. So that's all for today. Keep in mind you have to work hard on pronunciation because in French you will find many words and sentences where it is written differently and read differently. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, then like this video and share with others, and also subscribe to the French Desk for more French lessons. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.